Good morning. Yet another important judgment which will help you to extend your legal assistance for innocent persons who lost their life uh, because of failure on the part of the government and authorities to answer strict liability, law of tort. See, this case deals with a fatal accident case. AR 2024 Jammu and Kashmir 141. AR 2024 Jammu and Kashmir 141. You can claim compensation because if any untoward incident had occurred due to the negligence on the part of the state government, union government, and other authorities who are coming under Article 12 of the Constitution, you can file a writ for compensation, and initially the court will grant some compensation, and you are still entitled for filing suit for compensation, etc., etc. Here this case is somewhat little bit more extensive to understand how cases are being filed if anything had happened. This is because AR 2024 Jammu and Kashmir 141, AR 2024 Jammu and Kashmir 141, Yar Mohammed Kataria and Union of India. Here what had actually happened, two children aged about 15 and 14 while grazing their stock seems to have sustained death due to unexploded shell. So it was the duty of the military authorities that the improvised explosive device IED could have been carefully removed, and since that was not done, the children died, and the authorities seems to have paid 1 lakh each compensation. Still, after long years, the father filed an application, writ petition for seeking compensation. So the Honorable High Court, Jammu and Kashmir, had enlightened us that there was a Ministry of Home Affairs revised guidelines of central scheme for assistance to civilian victims, family of victim of terrorist, communal left-wing extremism, violence and cross-border firing and mine IED blast on Indian territory 2022. This scheme has had a period also 2018 to 2016, and financial assistance was 3 lakhs, and if it is after 2016 it will be 5 lakhs. So they have deeply discussed about so many things. They have termed next of kin, NOK. Next of kin is entitled to file. Even 3 things have been clarified in the judgment, that even if they are paid ex gratia payment, they are entitled. Even there were a period of limitation after latches they filed, but however since by referring the scheme, they say that 3 years, within 3 years relevant incident date should be filed, but however it can be relaxed. So by relaxing everything, the court has directed to pay amount to the children within 8 weeks. So, and you see, by referring the judgment, don't concentrate only for central government incident. You can also file electoral death, manual death, and rain, storm, thunder, because the government failed to take necessary steps to prevent such death. You can still claim. Apart from solution from the Chief Minister Fund, you can file cases. If it is private authority, you have to file suit. If it is the authorities coming within the ambit of Article 12, you can file writ. Best wishes.